A broken heart. Eli's coming to hide your hunger. Eli's coming to hide your hunger. Oh, Eli's coming, you better die. Oh, Eli's coming, you better die. Oh, Eli's coming, you better die. Oh, Eli's coming, hide your heart, girl. Hide, never hide your heart. Eli's coming, never walk, but you never get away. No, you never get away from the burning heartache. I want you to follow the rain everywhere I go. Eli's coming, walk, but you never get away. Eli's coming, walk, but you never get away. Eli's coming, walk, but you change. Say what like you do. No, 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 no. Fellas say no, 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 no.
What is this?
You know who the promoter of this gig is?
Yeah, a girl named Cynthia. She's got I don't want
There's a big chicken.
When she wants to sign, she's going to put it back on.
There's a few other things.
What does the rest of her look like?
You sign it to her, she's in pain.
You have a cast you can get in anywhere.
Grapes and beef. She's got to be doing something to get this thing on.
Original Broadway cast.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Aha!
Something new and different.
Aha! Three dogs.
Who's that from? Who's that
Hey, that's
from?
pretty nice.
Who's that from?
This. Oh, hey, wait.
Oh, they are puppets.
We can use these.
I got one of those.
Three?
I like this one better.
I should be sales. White thing with black kid. Very nice. Wow! Jack. Ew.
What's
Hold it.
I get one of those.
We're passing on the cast here, fellas.
I'm gonna send them.
Danny, I'm the redneck. Give me a head.
Would you rise and meet your special guest, Mr. Roberta Flack?
Definitely.
This is the groaning board. Sit down.
It's for you.
No, you're
The man on your left, the next man is Corey. You're meeting now. And Bill Utley. And Jimmy.
Chuck Nagel.
Hi.
Floyd.
Who's Joe?
I'm sorry, Joe. And that's Jimmy.
What are you going to do with this?
Where is the left?
I'm making anything you want, darling.
No, I'm full just looking at this stuff.
always have
stuff.
it. We always have our food before we go on stage.
This
You don't like kosher style pickles?
I love kosher style pickles. Yeah, with chitlins and things.
Roberta, I'd like to say on behalf of the group here that we are very happy and about singing with you. And very frightened until we hear you sing. You might cut us really bad.
No. Listen, I wouldn't do that.
Eat, right? Eat.
Eat a lot. Go ahead, eat a lot.
The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and the stars were the gifts you gave to the dark and the endless skies, my love. And the first time ever I kissed your mouth, I felt the earth move in my hand, like the trembling heart of a captive bird that was there at my command, my love. And the first time ever I lay with you, I felt your heart so close to mine, and I knew our joy, it would fill the earth and last till the end of time, my love, and it would last till the end of time, my love. The first time ever I saw your face, your face, your face, your Thank you. Thank you. Three gorgeous men all to myself. How about that? Where is the love?
Where is the love? I wanna know.
Where is the love?
Where is the love? I wanna know. that you didn't love him and you were gonna say goodbye. But if you really didn't mean it, why did you have to lie? Where is the love you said was mine, all mine, till the end of time? Was it just a lie? Where is the love? If you had had a sudden change of heart, I wish that you would tell me so. Don't leave me hanging on the promises. You got to let me know. Yeah. Where is the love? I wanna know. Where is the The ink is black, the page is white. Together we learn to read and write. A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the side. A beautiful sight. Now at last we'll understand that this is the law of all the land, all the land. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the side. A beautiful sight. The world is black, the world is white. Turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the side. A beautiful sight. Let's go, come on now. Jump, jump, jump. You can jump. Get it up now, run the world. Little boy, little girl. Get it up now. Thank you very much. We're going to have a little fun, and we're going to try to bring everyone here and everyone out there back to the 50s. Remember the 50s? All right.
Good feeling, 1957.
What's up? welcome. Hey, joy to the world. All the boys and girls. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me. Hey, joy to the world. All the boys and girls. Joy to the world. Joy to you and me. Joy to the world. All the boys and girls. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Joy to the world. Joy to you and me. Sing it. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me. Ooh, I love you sometimes. Sometimes ain't too much. Lord, I got to give you. Lord, I'll be a touch. Had you in the summertime, had you in the fall. Come on, baby. Hold on night long. Feel all right, yeah. Ooh, sing it to me. Feel all right, mama. You make us feel alright, make us feel alright, make us feel alright, make us feel alright. I hope he's ready for this. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.